Hey guys, welcome to the session. Today we are going to discuss about the Google Ad interface. So in the previous class we were discussing about how we can create the Google Ad account and all, right? I hope you guys remember. So in this class we're going to discuss about the dashboard. That means the Google Ad interface. So let's start into the Google Ad interface. For that, the first and foremost thing you have to do is just log in with your Google Ad account. For that, there is two methods you can just sign in. Either you can just go into the Google search and from there you can just search for Google Ads and from there you can just sign in, or otherwise just go into the tab from there itself with your mail ID. There is a 9 tab option is there, that is all activity. From there you can scroll and there you can see Google Ads and just click and you will redirect into your proper ad account. Okay, so now you can see our dashboard, right? So this is what the Google Ad dashboard, or we can say it as Google Ad interface. Okay, in the Google Ad interface, the first and foremost thing is the Google Ad account. Okay, so now you can see in the right corner there is an option, that is the Google Ad button is there, right? So if you're just clicking there, you can see what are the different ad account you have created in that single Gmail ID. Okay, so now you can see there is two account. One is digital, that is a completely manager account, and the other is normal Google account. Okay, so here you can see there are two Google account has been there. So like that, if you want to create more Google Ad account, okay, let's take an example. You are running a three companies. Okay, one is education sector, one is an agency, and one is some other kind of restaurants or maybe e-commerce platforms and all. Okay, so if you're running a campaign at that time, you are the person who's just running the campaign. Okay, so for that you can just segregate each and every services into different ad account, so that it is very easy for you to set up and all, because the conversion tracking will be different and all. Definitely we will discuss more about what exactly is the conversion tracking and all. Don't worry about that. Okay, so now here we are just creating new account. If you want to create a new Google Ad account itself, you can just click on here. You can see there is an option called create new Google Ad account. Once you're just clicking, the same process what we have just created in the previous classes, that is what you have to just create here. Okay, so other than that, if you want to switch your mail ID, and from here you can just switch, and then from there itself you can just sign in, or if you want to create more, the same process you have to do it here. Okay, so this is what your account is representing. Okay, so now near to that there is a 4 icons are showing. So the first one is appearance. So how you really want to see your Google Ad interface, that means if it is in a large way or in a very small way or in a medium way, like that you can switch your account. Okay, so if you're just clicking on the appearance, you can just see how the size of your display is changing. Okay, so this is what the appearance is meaning. Okay, now I'm just moving back to this large, and then comes the refresh. Here if you're just refreshing, automatically what are the changes happening in that seconds, it will automatically reflect your account and all. Maybe if you're running a campaign for around 1 lakh rupees and you're getting more conversions and also a very good reach and also these impressions and all, so if you're just refreshing, you can see how the impressions, reach, clicks are automatically increasing. Okay, so like that you can refresh it here. Okay, then comes the help. If you're just clicking on the help, you can see a quick help tab has been appeared. So what are the information you really want to know? Okay, here you can just search for articles, or if you doesn't know what exactly is an asset, you can just click here and then just search for assets. Okay, now I just search for assets and I can see a lot of articles related to these assets. Okay, so this is what this quick help, that means help tab, refers. So if you doesn't have any idea regarding what exactly is each and every tool, you can just grab this help tool and from there just as a keyword what you really want to know, and it will give you articles. From that you can just go into the articles and then read, and then after that you can implement here. Okay, so then comes this notification bar. So if you're just clicking what are the notifications this Google Ads have been provided, it will be showcased here. Okay, this is what the top panel. So now we are just moving into the side panel. Now you can see the side panel, right? So here there is an option called this create, campaigns, goals, tools, billing, admin, like that. Different tools are there. So now we are going to discuss more about each and every tool. Okay, the first and foremost one is a campaign. Okay, if you want to create new campaign, either you can just go into the campaigns. From there you can just create for the new campaign, and from here you can just create the campaigns and all, or otherwise you can just click on this create button. And what you really want to create, do you want to create the keywords, or do you want to create the ad group, do you want to create the campaign, like that you have to specify what you really want to create. From here, if you want to create the assets, you can just click on the assets. It will redirect you to the assets part. From there you can just create the assets at all. Okay, so that is two option. Okay, so now we are just going to discuss about the campaign. Once you're just clicking on the campaigns, you can see a lot of interface. That means overview is there, recommendations is there, insights and reports is there, campaigns is there, assets is there, product is there, audience, keywords, content, locations, change history. These are the things which are coming under this campaigns. Okay, now we are going to discuss more about what exactly is each and every tool. Okay, so now comes to the overview in the sense about all your data regarding your account. Okay, if you're running any kind of campaign, here you can see how many clicks you got from the past, this month, from this month. Here you can see there is an option that is the calendar. You have to select which all the data you really want to know, how many conversions or how many clicks, how much cost I have spent for this campaign and all. So now if I'm just clicking on the today, in today, how much I have spent for the campaign, all the details like how many clicks I got from this campaign on today, how many people have just seen my campaign, how many conversions have been from my campaign, how much I have spent for the campaign, like all the details I'll get. If I'm just clicking on the three dots, and here if I want to know more about the details and all, like okay, so if I want to just know the hourly and all, if I'm just adding here, I will get the hourly how many clicks has been done from the hour basis, how many impressions from the last hour basis, like that I'll get the information. Okay, so if I'm just going downward, here also I'll get, okay, if I'm having any kind of if I violated any policies, standards, Google ads, like that, here it will be showing. Here they are just giving the idea like a few reason campaigns need some attention. So here this campaign is not eligible, this campaign is not eligible, like that the three campaign is not eligible. So if I am just clicking on this view details, here you can see there is a pop-up like account balance is exhausted, and also there are two more issues are there. If I'm just clicking on the view details, they will give me a clear idea what exactly happened to those campaign, why it is not at all eligible. Okay, so here you can see one is balance is exhausted. So for that, running the campaigns, I need to add the fund. Okay, and then the second one is advertiser verification is missing. That means I doesn't verify my account. Okay, I'm the person who's running the campaign, so I'm the advertiser. So if I want to run the campaigns, I want to do this advertiser verification. It is a very important process. If I doesn't do this advertiser verification, what comes is I can't run the campaign. When I am going to fix, till that day itself I can't run the campaign. Okay, and here there is one more thing, that is three products are disapproved. Okay, so here I just add a lot of products in my account. So from there, three of the products is not at all approved by the Google. Some maybe because of the community standards, or maybe violation of the policies. Due to that, the three products are not approved. Okay, so the Google have identified me that I have to do these three things. So for that, I have just go to this shopping merchant center. From there, I have to just delete, or I have to change this product, the three products, and then I have to add the font, and also the advertiser verification has to be done. After the three process, then it is my campaigns will be eligible. Okay, so this is what the account diagnostics will be. And then comes the recommendation. The Google ads will give you recommendation regarding how your campaign is performing, what are the things you have to do, and what are the things if you do, you will get a better conversion, and also the conversion value, like all the details they will provide you. Okay, now you can see there is recommendations, right? The first one is drive more sales by making sure your products are approved in merchant center. That means for getting more sales, I want to make sure that who all the products are approved in my merchant center. If any of the products have been disapproved, I have to change that. That means if my products have to be shown in the advertisement, I have to fix out which all the products are disapproved. Okay. And the second one is set up conversion tracking. If I want to run the campaign and I want to know exactly who all the people are just coming into the website, who all the people are just doing this purchasing product and all. So if I want this exact results regarding who all the people, then I have to set up the conversion tracking. Okay. Then comes the billing. Here you can see there is 0. If I am putting the fund here, I can show how much the balance will be, like 7,000 or maybe 10,000, like 1 lakh. It will be showcased here. For that, I want to add the payment and then I have to pay the amount, how much I want to put in this account. Okay. Then you can see draft campaign in the sense which all the campaigns which I have put in the draft, it will showcase here. So if you are just clicking on the resume draft, it will go into the campaigns. From there I can just make the publish campaign and all. Okay, so after that then comes this display campaign. What are the campaigns I have run for the display, it will showcase here. You can see there is this campaign is disapproved and the status is not eligible. That means this display ads, this ad has been disapproved because of the violation. So here you can see it's because of the site. Okay, so I want to just go to the site and then I have to verify whether I have just used this as a certificate related website or not, or any duplication in the website and all. So I have to just review it, and after that I have to rectify this problem. Okay, and here also you can see a lot of information regarding the campaigns. So here you can see in the green color 1 2 3 4 campaigns have been there, and the cost is 0, the clicks is 0, the CTR is 0. While if I'm running the campaign here, it will change, the metrics will be changed. Here it's eligible but the campaign is not run. Okay, and here also you can see the search ad. This is how the campaign will be looking once the customer is saying, and here also you can see it is enabled. Now there are 4 conversions has been there. Conversion tag is active but there is no conversions has been happened in the website. Okay, and here also now we can see this one has been disapproved. This is not eligible, this ad is not eligible because of this compromise side. Maybe I have just put the website URL in a wrong way because of that. Okay, so there is one. If I'm just clicking on all disapproved, here it will show. So here I just only add one, and that one like the ad has been disapproved, it is not eligible. So if I want to just edit and then just I can go with this appeal and all. Once the Google team has reviewed whether I have put or whether I have just used the same website URL, or will I just not following the rules and regulation like that, they will definitely will not make my campaign eligible and all. Okay, so this is what the overview is looking. So like that you will get a very clear idea regarding how your campaigns, how your account is working and all. Okay, so then comes the recommendation. Once you're just clicking on the recommendations, here you will get like there we already discussed in the overview, right? So the same thing you can see here, the Google will give you recommendations regarding your campaigns and all on the basis of their campaign performance and all. Once the Google feel like okay, if you're running this campaign you will get 0 results or 0 leads because you have just if you're just increasing the budget only, you will get this much leads or this much conversion, otherwise you won't get 0 results. Like that this Google ads will give you the recommendation. Okay, so this is what exactly the Google ad interface. Now we just discussed about the side panel, just only the campaigns, and in the campaigns only we discussed about the overview and recommendation. I hope you guys understood. If you're having any doubt, please let me know in the comment, and also just create your Google ad account. Once you have just created your Google ad account, you will get these kinds of recommendations and how your account is looking, like overview and all. Okay, so I hope you guys understood. See you in the next lesson.